How to fix speaker on iPhone. First, check the volume settings. Use the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to turn the volume up. Alternatively, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center, then adjust the volume slider. Next, ensure silent mode is off. Check the switch above the volume buttons on the side of your phone. Flip the switch so that silent mode is disabled. Now restart your iPhone. Activate Siri and say, "Restart my iPhone." Then confirm by tapping the Restart option. Then check the accessibility settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under the Hearing section, select Audio Visual. Make sure the balance slider is centered and that mono audio is turned off. Disconnect any external devices. Unplug your iPhone from any connected cables or accessories. Swipe down to open Control Center, then tap and hold the connectivity panel. Turn off Bluetooth to make sure it's not connected to external speakers. If the problem continues, try resetting your settings. Open the Settings app, tap General, then scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, then tap Reset All Settings and confirm. Finally, if none of these steps helped, contact Apple Support. Visit the Apple Support website and submit a service request for help with your device. Follow these steps carefully, and your speaker should be back to normal in no time.